In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides transition automatically. This feature is especially useful when you want your slides to flow smoothly without manually clicking through them. Whether you're teaching a virtual class, showcasing a project, or delivering a professional office presentation, mastering this tool can save you time and make your presentation much more polished. First, head over to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing Google Slides in the search bar, or by navigating directly to the Google Slides homepage. Once there, make sure you're signed into your Google account to access all your presentations. If you're not signed in, simply click the Sign In button at the top right and enter your credentials. This will take you to your Google Slides home, where all your recent presentations are displayed, including those shared with you. Next, let's create a blank presentation. On the home page, click the blank option to start from scratch. Starting with a blank canvas allows you to focus entirely on setting up automatic transitions without any distractions. Once your new presentation opens, look toward the top menu bar and click on View. From the drop-down, select Slideshow. This view will put your slides in full screen presentation mode, giving you an accurate look at how your audience will experience them. Now move your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice a small icon with 3 dots. Click on this to open additional slideshow controls. In the menu that appears, find and select the option labeled Autoplay. This feature lets you set your slides to advance automatically. You can customize the interval between slides and even set the presentation to loop continuously if desired, making it perfect for unattended presentations or display kiosks. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your Google Slides will now transition automatically, saving you the hassle of manual navigation. Your presentation will look smooth, professional, and engaging, allowing you to focus on delivering your message confidently. Thank you for joining me today.